Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Over the last decade, the total cost of damage from climate-related extreme weather events globally was about $2 trillion. That's according to an estimate by the International Chamber of Commerce. And it's roughly in line with the economic toll of the 2008 global financial crisis. The report assessed nearly 4,000 weather events across 6 continents from 2014 to 2023. It combines both the direct monetary toll from the destruction of homes, businesses and infrastructure, and the impact of extreme weather on human productivity. The aim is for governments and businesses to accelerate policies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, which directly contribute to climate change. An increase in airlift to the Dominican Republic has resulted in more Jamaican investors looking to capitalize on business opportunities in the Spanish-speaking territory. That's according to the Dominican ambassador to Jamaica. Because of the boom, Arajet recently added flights from Punta Cana to Kingston.
Increasingly, the Dominican Republic is becoming a viable choice for Jamaican tourists and investors. In addition to opportunities for trade, Jamaicans have been investing in the booming tourist housing sector. Investors from the Spanish-speaking country have also embarked on several projects here. Additionally, the Dominican Republic is fastly becoming a destination of choice for leisure travel. Chief of Staff of Arajet Airlines, Otto Gonzalez, says the proof is in the sales.
Traffic between both destinations increased 1,600%, which definitely is good news.
In fact, Arajet describes doing business in Jamaica as a success case. The company started flights twice weekly from Kingston to Santo Domingo in 2022. Due to the demand, flights have increased to 5 days a week.
The first year of operations, or since the start of operation, Kingston had moved a bit more than 3,000 passengers. Until June of 24, we've moved more than almost 60,000 passengers. So this comes to say that our objective as Arajet is to become a gateway for Jamaicans to visit the rest of the hemisphere and also to bring tourism to Jamaica.
2 weeks ago, the company added Kingston to Punta Cana to its offerings.
Not only for the offering this brings and the optionality for Jamaicans, but also for all the flow and traffic that will come inbound to Jamaica. We hope that this will also help the tourism sector.
In the interim, flights from Kingston to Punta Cana will be twice weekly. Tourism aside, Dominican ambassador to Jamaica, Angie Martinez Tejera, says there's also been an increase in trade.
The Dominican Republic not only has increased the exports to Jamaica by almost double the export, but also Jamaica has tripled its export to the Dominican Republic. We are starting to 2.3, and we are more than almost $9 million of export of Jamaica.
Hal Shane Burke, TVJ News.
Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $159.25. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $113.91. $204.27 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $169.94. The JSE index declined by 1,363 points today, while the junior market decreased by 2 points. Among the 30 winners, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, and Key Insurance. The 62 losers include Proven Group US dollar shares, Cargo Handlers, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Access Financial, and JPS 7% preference shares. 27 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.